Hey guys, welcome to World History since the 15th century. I'll be your teacher this summer. My name's Mr. Dobbs, as you probably have already read in the welcome post that I've made. I just wanted to, first of all, put a face to whoever your teacher is going to be this summer, and that is me, and also introduce you to a couple of features on the website. Um, if you ever have any questions, just take a look at the announcement post. You'll see my email address there. You can email me if it's a little easier to my board address, or you can email me through this website as well. But just ask questions. I'm always available to answer them, and that's what I'm here for. Now, let's go through a couple of the features. So the first thing I want to show you is if you go into your name where your name is, there'll be something that pops up, and it's called notifications. If you click on notifications, it brings you to a set of different options. I would, if I were you, click on announcements and especially assignments. This will give you an update on your phone if you're using your phone or your email address letting you know when something is due 2 days from when it's due. Because we're so quick, it's only a month, the assignments sometimes run very close to each other. So it's important for you to kind of get up to date. So that's what I would do. I would go into notifications, make sure that everything is up to date. The second thing I want to let you know is there is an app that you can download. The app is called Pulse Brightspace, and you can get that on the Apple Store. And that will allow you to access this website via your cell phone or iPad. So once again, it's called Pulse Brightspace, and it's on the iOS store. Thirdly, I'm having a little bit of trouble with the content coming up in what's called New View. You might see that they give you the option to look at this in Old View or New View. I would suggest you stay in Old View if they even give you an option. I think they will, because for some reason some of the assignments aren't popping up. They will populate in Old View, but in New View they're a little bit sketchy. I'm still working that out with tech support right now, and I'll let you know if things progress. In any case, I just want to let you know the course begins tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. With the first assignment. We start off in the medieval period, and there are slides and different discussions you can take part in. You can go at this course as fast or as slow as you want. Just keep in mind with the due dates. Your first module is due on Sunday, or I guess Monday morning at midnight. And your second module is due July the 13th. So they do run in quickly. But what I have done is I've opened up the very first set for you, so you're ready to go as of tomorrow morning. Once again, you have any questions, comments, concerns, please contact me. My email address is jeff.dobbs@tcdsb.org, and it will show up here on the announcement folder. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know, and good luck this summer. We'll be talking soon. Thank you.